Here are 5 reasons why you should avoid day trading. So the first reason why you should avoid day trading is because most day traders just lose money. You know how the statistic says that 90% of retail traders lose money? I think for day traders, that number is a lot higher because I find that over the past 10 years of trading, I realized that the more I trade, the more money I'll lose. And the same for a lot of traders, the more they trade, the more money they'll lose. Because chances are when you're taking so many trades per day, because you're a day trader, chances are you'll be making a lot of mediocre trades. Whereas if you look at long-term traders, you realize that they don't make a lot of trades, they make one trade every few weeks, but that one trade is like super high quality. Of course, with that said, shit still happens, you still lose money in that trade that you research so much on, but in the long-term traders just make more money in general. And it's a very retail trader thing to do because you realize that most retail traders, they like to day trade. For the past 2 to 3 years, because I come from the finance background, I have always been attending a lot of the hedge fund events, smart money events. And hedge fund traders, generally most of them tend to trade long-term. Of course, you'll come across traders who engage in AI trading, high-frequency trading. But when it comes to macro trading, a lot of them are long-term traders. So if you want to be like, you know what, I want to be different from other retail traders, I'm born different, then you gotta do what the pros do most of the time, which is trade long-term. And the second reason, okay, now this is something that a lot of gurus won't tell you and a lot of brokers won't tell you because day trading incurs you a very high cost in terms of commissions paid and also your spread. You pay a lot of spread. And guess what? When you're a day trader, those brokers love you so much. Let's say if you're a broker and you feed your whole family through commission earnings. And then you wake up today and then you have a new client. He's a position trader who trades once a month. And you only earn that one commission once a month. Then it's like, goodbye, go find somebody else. But of course, if the client is big shot, then you just take him. But if the client is just like a $1,000 account opener, trades once a month, you wouldn't like it. And same for a lot of trading gurus who is an introducing broker, which means that we work with brokers and then recommend clients to them. And then each time you trade, we earn a commission. Now, if I really want to earn my commissions money, I'll tell you to day trade all day, all night long. I'll tell you about how great day trading is. Gonna make you a millionaire. You can buy a mansion next month. You know what I'm saying? If a trading guru mentor truly wants you to succeed, he or she will tell them, you know what? Try to consider long-term trading. Of course, you can make money as a day trader if you work on the right things, work hard, but do consider long-term trading because of all these benefits as well. When you see somebody promoting day trading only, it's good money, not for you, but for them. Because the more you trade, the more money they make, even when you lose money. Don't pay so much cost in trading, like commissions, the spread, you're not feeding yourself. You're feeding your broker's whole family, his dog, his cat, then the 5 girlfriends that he has on the side. And the third reason why you should avoid day trading is if you're super busy. You're just super busy. Or you're studying full-time, then working part-time, and then you got a boyfriend to feed. Remember to dump him tomorrow. So if you're really, really busy, then it is a sign for you to go for long-term trading. Of course, just bear in mind that it has to fit your trading personality, because if you're somebody who is super, super impatient and then you go for long-term trading, then you're going to force a lot of open trades that you're not supposed to open. But the thing I like about long-term trading as compared to day trading, which I've tried, is that long-term trading allows the markets to work hard for you. Because when the trend just goes on and on, it's just doing its thing and you can just go about your day doing anything you like. And as a long-term trader, you don't need to check the markets, the chart that often. Sometimes I just check 30 minutes a day, 1 hour a day, depending on the markets. Of course, in the first 2 years, you gotta work super hard to make it in trading. But once you're so-called made it or earn a comfortable living from trading, then you can just gradually cut down the time, unless you really, really like sitting in front of a computer and then clicking on mouse. Go play The Sims. And the fourth reason why you should avoid day trading is because it is more stressful than long-term trading. And it also encourages you to gamble because a lot of times when your whole identity, okay, is a day trader, and when you don't trade for a day, you will have a whole identity crisis. Then a lot of times, because that's your identity, you will force open a lot of trades that you're not supposed to open. You will break your trading plan more often. And very often time for beginners is the same freaking currency. They just open many trades in one currency. because the price went down, so they enter again, went down, they enter again, went down, enter again. Day trading is just more chaotic in general. That's my opinion, okay? And the fifth reason why you should avoid day trading is if you prefer fundamental analysis. If you're somebody who loves fundamentals like me, you love economics, you love studying what drives the markets, what drives the currency, what drives a stock, the financial statements and all that, the numbers, then you're probably too analytical to become a day trader, because for day traders, most of the time, they just look at the charts rather than fundamentals. Of course, as a day trader, you still need to look at economic events to prevent yourself from entering into a trade before a high impact event. And I can tell you this one thing, okay? Once I've incorporated sentiment analysis, intermarket analysis, and fundamental analysis, and go to long-term trading, trading is a lot less stressful, more profitable, and a lot more fun. You know what I'm saying? And same for a lot of traders that I've taught, they say the same thing too. So maybe you should try it too. But with that said, if day trading is profitable for you, which is possible, and it fits your personality, then keep going. Because different people have different types of trading personalities, and you gotta find one that suits you. I've put in so much work to do a lot of fundamental analysis videos on this channel, so make the most out of it, okay? Don't waste my effort. So I'll put it here. So with that, talk to you in the next video. Bye.